You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these name and more confusing names of chemical elements and molecules. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Loads to learn here. Two different ways of pronouncing it. Bromine. Bromine. Stress on the first syllable. That's more the British way. In American English, it's more often said as bromine. Bromine. It exists also. The two pronunciations are correct. Bromine or bromine. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps a lot. And thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.